Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco, and Porvorim.
There, the High Court had earlier directed the Panchayat to take action. Panchayat has issued an order of demolition in respect of 100 structures. 175 structures have not been found to be illegal by the Panchayat. Now, insofar as Panchayat is concerned, the court has asked the Panchayat as to how they had granted any permission to these 175 structures. Whether there were permissions obtained from the TCP, whether there were permissions obtained from the health officer, whether there were permissions obtained or the consent obtained from the Pollution Control Board. All these issues have been taken up by the High Court. Court has further directed to join the Pollution Control Board as a party, and Pollution Control Board has been directed to take appropriate action. This is insofar as today's proceedings are concerned. Thereafter, insofar as 175 structures where the Panchayat has not taken any action, it is the CRZ authority who has decided to issue notices to all these structures. So those proceedings will start. Insofar as Panchayat is concerned, they will give a report to the High Court as to how they passed or issued permissions to all these structures which they found to be legal now. So this is the position insofar as today's order is concerned.